So I have a question for all you people that fly Southwest. Why are you so obsessed with seat hogging? Like, why do you claim the middle seat as your seat, even though there's nobody sitting there? So I'm flying Southwest last week from, where was I flying from? From New Orleans to Dallas. I get on the plane, and so I try to get, like, you know, the plane was really filling up because I was like all the way in the back when I boarded the plane. I tried to get on. This was like, I think row 4. There was like a middle seat. So I told the lady, I was like, oh, I want to sit right there. And she goes, you can't sit here. And I'm like, what do you mean I can't sit there? It's an empty seat. She goes, oh, the flight attendant said the plane is not full. I'm like, okay, it doesn't matter. I still want to sit there. And then she goes, there are other seats. And I'm like, that's where I want to sit. So what, like, I don't understand. What is with the obsession of hugging seats? Why do you do that? People that fly Southwest. I don't fly Southwest often because when I get on the plane, I need to know that I have a seat number and I don't have to haggle with people about where I'm going to seat. So I always make sure that I have a seat number when I get on a plane. So I really rarely fly Southwest. So this one time I decide to fly Southwest and I have to deal with this, it's too much. So back to my question. Those of you who fly Southwest and like to hug seats, why do you do that? Anybody can sit anywhere. You don't own any seat on the plane. So when you get on and you get on your seat, sit down there and let other people sit next to you if they want to. You don't get to put your bags. There was another lady on the next row. She had her phone on one seat and her purse on one seat and she was sitting on the other. And I'm like, what? Like, is this normal? Like, maybe I'm the one who's tripping because I don't fly Southwest often. Tell me, guys. Is this normal? Is this what you guys do? Like, people that fly Southwest? Like, have any of you experienced this? Because
but why do you keep turning
I don't think it's normal.
Why do you keep
My sister, she's over here laughing at me. But I want to know, like, is that normal, though?
No.
Okay.
Canceled.
Wait, what's canceled? Southwest or the people who do that?
Both of them.
I'm so dead. But anyway, yeah, so that's my rant for today is like, if you're flying Southwest, you don't own the plane. When you get on, pick your seat and allow other people to pick seats also. Don't put your luggage, your purse, your phone, and block all the entire row because you're not going to get the entire row to yourself. It's a full flight. So you can't tell me to go to the back of the plane because the flight attendant said the flight's not full. Like, Rosa Parks did not die for that. I will sit in the front of the plane. I would sit in the middle seat in the front of the plane, and I have no issue with that. So, sorry, if you're hugging seats in the front of the plane, and I get on, I'm gonna sit there. Sorry to bust your bubble. Anyway, that's my rant for today. I wanna hear what you guys think about seating assignments on Southwest Airlines.